This is one of the websites that is used most often in my classroom. It's called Abcya, and it deals with lots of different content areas. There is a premium that you can join and pay for. We stick with the free games because there are plenty of them. I teach first grade, so I'm going to click into that. I told you it dealt with lots of different content areas. So it's got letters that deals with our reading, numbers that deals with math, holidays for holiday games, and strategy and skill games also. What we use it for most often in my classroom is math. So I'm going to click into the numbers, and then there is lots of games to choose from. So whatever you're talking about in your classroom, typically you can find something. Sometimes you have to go from grade to grade. Sometimes I find myself going up to second grade games just because some of the first grade games aren't quite as rigorous as I'd like them to be. But we have been talking about numbers since it's towards the beginning of the year, so I'm going to show you the game Blast Off. I like to use this during my center time because it's pretty much something that they can do independently. It gives good directions, so if I hit play, first it'll ask us to choose what we want to count by. So if we've just been learning ones since the beginning of the year, we can click on ones. It'll give us directions so we understand what we're supposed to do. Hit play, and then we're going to drag. It told us to drag our numbers into the laser beam. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, then it'll just continue to get harder, and eventually it'll show that they've passed. They really like it. They seem to like the features that are available. They like the visual aspect of it. It's very popular with my students.